Hi, I'm Mrs. Gochin, the Media Specialist at William Annan Middle School. Welcome to a NoodleTools help video. In this video, I will demonstrate how to enter a citation for a database article from the SIRS Discoverer database. If you have not logged into NoodleTools, please do so now and pause the video until you are successfully logged in. After logging in, you should be on the My Project screen. To get to the dashboard for the project you're working on, click on the name of the project you want. I'm going to click on 6th English Zeus. You should now be on the dashboard screen for that project. The name of the project is in the top left corner. Make sure it's the correct project. We want to now enter citation information into NoodleTools, so turn to your green citation information sheet and find the citation information for your SIRS database article, which is at the bottom under Online Database Articles. Again, pause the video until you are ready to continue. Now click on the Sources tab at the top of the NoodleTools dashboard screen, so right up here. This takes us to the MLA Works Cited screen, which is where we enter and view our citations for this project. We will begin by entering the citation information for this database article. So first, we click on the green Create New Citation box in the top left of the screen. NoodleTools will ask us the question, where is it? Meaning, where was this article from? This article was found in a database, so we will select Database. If it had been a web page, we would have chosen Website. If it had been a print book, we would have chosen Print or In Hand. The next question NoodleTools asks us is, what is it? Meaning, what type of source did we use from the database? So we look on our green citation sheet and we see for type of source we circled reference. So in NoodleTools we are going to select reference source right down here in the middle column at the bottom. Now we are on the citation input screen. This is where we will fill in the white boxes with the appropriate citation information from the green citation sheet. Remember, not all fields are required, so only fill in the fields we wrote down on the citation sheet. So let's look at our sheet and we see we had no author, so we won't put one in. Title of the article is Zeus. Title of the source, the magazine newspaper reference source, is Compton's by Britannica, and our publication date is August 1st, 2011. And the database, SIRS Discoverer, and we viewed it on December 12th. So now we go to NoodleTools and let's enter that information. First thing it asks for is the name of the database. So over here, where it says My Libraries Databases, click the drop-down, look for your database, SIRS Discoverer, right there, and you'll see it puts it into the name of the database field, which if you remember is a required field. It has the red asterisk. The URL field is not required for database articles. For websites it would be. So we can skip that one. Most recent date of access, if you remember on our green sheet, we viewed it on December 12th. If you have a different date, then you should certainly put in the date that you had. I'll put in December 12 and then 2016. Okay, now we come down to the article section and it wants us to put in an author. But if you remember, we did not have one, so we're going to leave that field blank. The next field, article entry title, and our title, mine is Zeus, yours would be with whatever your Greek god was, so you're going to type that into the article title field. Remember to capitalize, it's a person's name as well as an article title. Next field I see is pages, and we did not have page numbers, so we'll leave that blank. And so we've completed the article section. Pause the video at any time if you need to catch up. Now we're moving on to the information about the reference source. There was no editor or author for the source as a whole, so we leave that blank. What type of reference source was it? Ours was an encyclopedia, so we can leave that default. And then what was the title of the encyclopedia? And that was Compton's by Britannica. So we will put that into our title of encyclopedia field. So Compton's by, notice the B is lowercase in this title, but the other words are capitalized. Compton's by Britannica. And that's just about it. We didn't have any of this information, except for the year. We do need the publication date, and that was August 1st, 2011. We only need 2011 because it's only asking for a year. So 2011 in the year field, and then we're done. And we can hit submit. And there's our citation in MLA format for us. Now a couple of things to remind you about. Remember over here the options button. If you need to go back in and edit your citation, you can click edit right here at any time, and that takes you back to the input screen. Hopefully this helped you in getting your citation for your database article done. Thanks for watching.